welcome back to another vlog, and we're catching flights today. We sat in the plane for 2 hours. Not one, not 1.5, 2. Let me tell you something, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. So where are we going today? We're going to Cancun. So we made it to the airport and early in the morning and them system down or I move slow.
Everyone's gonna fall up. So we should just move to man anyway.
Alright, so we're on our way to get out of this country. Where are we going? And so the trip has begun.
Bro, the occasion I've been here on paper, so like you do it so blatant. Old school did.
Alright, so we officially made it to the airport. I'm very excited. So where are we going today? We're going to Cancun. We're going to Cancun. But I want to scream. But we're going to Cancun today. My face look oily. I got to Miami and then from Miami I have like a 3 hour. I have 2 weeks, like 3 hours at Miami. But everybody know Miami stay. Miami chaotic, nasty and disgusting.
Not even the main.
The only I like
I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. I'm on your vibe now. You got me on your side now. Yeah.
We'll get back to you once we get a little bit more detail on that. Flight time today is an hour and
Roll another one. Sit up.
once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to work right now. It's flight 2611, my service to Miami. Your flight crew today will be Captain Roy Spell and First Officer Marcus from Montego Bay to Miami. Our flight time will be 1 hour and 27 minutes and an altitude of 38,000 feet. Our weather conditions are rain showers and haze, mostly cloudy. Temperatures expected to be
Roll another one. Sit up, never. But like
making our way special packet with them automatics. We gon' send them to heaven. Wait.
Roll another one.
Sit up, never.
So this is a real reason why I take American Airlines. Those Biscoff cookies. Yes. Give me a Biscoff cookie today, tomorrow, any day of the week. And you know, I was actually first introduced to Biscoff cookies on American Airlines. Yeah. I was taking a flight. I don't remember where, but it's probably to Washington, like many years ago, back in high school. And I have loved them ever since. Ever since, I'm a Biscoff cookie girly. And here I am showing off my Biscoff cookie, showing off my nails. Yes. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the first part of the vlog. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. And I love you. Mwah! Enjoy the rest of this short but cutesy vlog for the intro to Mexico. Display. The overhead bins opened wide, and listen, I was scared because I was wondering if my bag is going to drop in someone's head and then I'm going to be liable. It was freaky. The turbulence were so strong. They were so strong, and it was a bit scary. And the pilot was like, hold your kids. If you're a mama, hold your kids. But yeah, it was a bit of a bumpy ride, a wild ride. I was just constantly looking at my bag like, mighty Lord, is my bag going to drop out? Is my bag going to fall out? But yeah, that was my experience from this was a leg from Montego Bay to Miami. It was wild. Listen, I was so stressed about this bag coming out. Like, listen, I felt so embarrassed because the cabin, the overhead bins opened up and my bag was just on display. Like, I was worried that it would drop in someone's head. So the flight attendants had to stay put, but the pilot was like, listen, if you have kids, grab your kids, hold your kids. It was ridiculous, but that's what happens when you have, bad weather. So it's a part of life. Just trying to find his way back home. The line is always ridiculous in Miami. Oh dear. I look at amount of people. Alright, so we found our gate. Over here is really crowded, but we found our gate. So ramen food here. Let's see what we can get. The wings look good. Muffins look really good. Alright, so we got the taco. So we got lemonade juice. And the hot dog and french fries. It's kind of like wedges though. Wedges and Chili. Chili dog. Chili dog looks so attractive. The chili dog looks so attractive at all. Anyways, I just use up my Spanish. Like, one man that stand up in front of me in a line. I mean, like, lo siento. If I remember right, lo siento means I'm sorry, So let's talk about traveling. Now, one of the biggest eeks for me is lengthy delays. Like we were, and then it's the accommodation that comes with it. We were in this plane for 2 hours, 2 hours and a couple minutes, so on, and it was hot. They did not turn on the aircon. We were burning up on the tarmac outside for 2 hours waiting to take off, and I keep on making excuses. It's like they weren't being straight with us, like, hey, we're having some weather issues, whatever. They just kept on saying, oh, we'll take off soon, oh, we'll take off soon. It's the biggest ick for me when traveling. How about you? Have you ever experienced like a really long layover or a really long delay while you're on the plane? Outside is fine, you know, but on the plane when it's burning up, like it's hot, that was ridiculous. But now we're off, so let's get it. Let's go about our trip. Let's go and enjoy Cancun, Mexico. Big shout out to the American airline crew that gave us 2 cookies on that flight, 2 biscuit cookies on that flight. I had no regrets. Thank you so very much. And yes, that's why I take flights, to get biscuit cookies. Yes. From Mexico. And angry. American Airlines do it bad. 2 hours. But you think was expecting at a long plane for. They sat in the plane for 2 hours. Not one. Not 1.5. The character constants. Let me tell you something. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Mexican crew.
This is a special announcement. It is concluded to use seminal form.
Alright, so the free shuttle is over this side, but it passed every 20 minutes. Nice, the free shuttle. 20 minutes. Okay, so when you get to Cancun airport, you're going to exit down by the departures area, and then you're going to walk them straight along the side, and then you're going to come to the free shuttle area if you want a free shuttle too. They normally have transfer pickups over by Terminal 3, so you come for the free shuttle and then you'll take it over to Terminal 3. Oh, so you're quite quiet on a Sunday evening. So you have to be careful out here, so because the guy didn't nearly take me away. Okay, I'm gonna go on different terminal. Give it a Terminal 4 more and go. I'm like, no, come this way. Oh my gosh. I could be a victim out here in Cancun. Alright, so we made it to Terminal, I'm a quarter minute. We made it to Terminal 4 and now we're waiting on the shuttle. Wait, we're not talking at the camera. We made it to Terminal 4 and now we're waiting on the shuttle to go to the hotel. I'm tired, I'm not hungry. Alright, so we got to the hotel. And there's some of us. It's really beautiful. This is really cute. So this is gonna be a room for the night. For the days, it's kind of cute. It's really, really cute. And we can have like a really nice view of the entire lagoon. That's cute. So let me quickly show you my tacos in Mexico. Aren't they a bit different from Jamaican tacos? What do you think? Would you eat it? It was delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Check out tomorrow for another vlog tour. Bye.